Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your background into a Christmas wallpaper. So if you have a picture of you and your husband or you or your wife, and you want to change it into a Christmas background, then let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download that. Once that's downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. Here you're typing a search and you're searching for the following account, Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page for that account. Now keep watching as the template will appear just here. For now, I'll go ahead and choose from my favorites. So this is a video example which we'll be using. Go ahead and tap on CapCut Christmas Wallpaper, which will be just above the username. This will now show you the template which we're going to use. So this is a template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. This will open up CapCut. Go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now you want to go ahead and select a photo of yourself, maybe in the woods. Then tap on Next. And now let TikTok apply the AI effect. So it'll basically change your background from something like this, a wood area, into a Christmas background. And now it's done, and it'll basically show you the background has changed. Once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right. Then tap on Save and Share to TikTok. Go ahead and tap on Next. Since this is a template, the sound has already been included. You can go ahead and add your captions and then post this video to TikTok. Now, for those of you who are finding this template, you can go ahead and visit this profile here, Test the Simple Dad. And then you'll find it right here. It's called the Christmas background. So there you go guys, that is how to change your background into a Christmas wallpaper. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.